I wanted to tell you, because I'm always talking about how the small things in life can keep us, and they really do. And when you're starting to work on your self-work, or you are beginning your spiritual awakening, you start to see things differently. And I wanted to point out to you how you see things differently. Here you see roses. Roses are beautiful flower, and when they bloom and are at their best, they are so good looking. And often we buy roses for our loved ones. Red roses for love, white roses for care. These rose bushes were meant to be thrown, and I didn't want them to go to the garbage. So I decided to try to save them and put them into the ground, and hopefully they root themselves in the ground. And later this summer I will see these beautiful pink roses at their best stage. And life is a little bit like roses. Life has thorns. We have thorns in our lives. Sometimes the life is good. Sometimes life stinks, just like the rose does. When I was putting those down, I need to be in gloves because they stink and it hurts. But nevertheless, I wanted to save them because, like I said, they will bloom and be beautiful later this summer. And maybe even not in a long time, I will start to see pink roses like in this one. This one has a little baby. So life is a little bit just like roses. It has thorns and it stings sometimes. But when at it, we are like the sun, we just glow. And that is such a good reminder for today. And for you to take a look at your life. Because sometimes life is hard. And sometimes life is more. But if we didn't have the hard times, how could we appreciate the good times? Have a wonderful evening.